हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू स्टडी स्मार्ट विद हो स्मार्ट। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स फॉर मैनेजर का इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम्स इकोनॉमिक्स एंड सिक्योरिटी वाला चैप्टर। तो या स्टे ट्यून्ड। आते हैं हम इंट्रोडक्शन पे। ग्रोइंग नीड ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। हमको पता है कि रिकॉर्ड्स रखना संभाल कर कितना ज़रूरी है, और ये हम सीख रहे हैं अपने एशियन टाइम से। लोग जो हैं रिकॉर्ड इसलिए संभाल कर रखते हैं फॉर द टैक्स पर्पसेस। बेसिकली जो गवर्नमेंट एंड ट्रेडर्स है वो रिकॉर्ड किस चीज़ के लिए संभाल कर रखते हैं? टू प्लान एक्टिविटीज़। With industrialization, businesses need to track inventory and accounts. Managers use records to internal decisions, and investors needed information about companies' health. Despite technological advances, the demand of information keep growing. Information and technology are now strategic necessities due to increased competition. Organizations must use information systems to thrive. IS helps organizations plan response to internal and external demands, supportive employees, and track consumer behavior. With modern technologies like smartphones, information can be shared instantly. This allows organizations to act proactively rather than reactively based on the information from their IAS. एक बार आप अच्छे से इस डायग्राम को देख लें। लेवल 1 में क्या है, लेवल में 2 में क्या है, लेवल 3 में क्या है, लेवल 4 में क्या है। अच्छा, अभी हम आते हैं डाटा इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज पे। अभी ये देखो रॉ मटेरियल है, ठीक है। 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 5 3 4 5 6 2 5 7 समथिंग समथिंग, ठीक है। इसमें आपको कुछ समझ आ रहा है? जब तक इसमें मैं कुछ कंटेस्ट ना डालूँ। सच एज अभी मैंने डाला कि 1 2 3 4 मैंने पैसे विड्रॉ करवाए 500 में से। अब इसकी क्लैरिफिकेशन हो रही है ना। समराइज दिस डाटा, वी फाइंड दैट टोटल इतना 24500 वॉज विड्रॉन अ डे। मतलब इसको हम अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में लिखें तो इसका कोई मतलब नहीं है जब तक इसको हम समराइज़ नहीं करते, इसको हम समझते नहीं है, इसमें हम कॉन्टेक्स्ट नहीं डालते, तो ये कुछ भी नहीं है, खाली है ये, ठीक है। इसके बाद आता है एक्यूरेट, कंप्लीट, इकोनॉमिकल, फ्लेक्सिबल। ये 4 चीज़ें हैं जिस पे हम रिलाई करते हैं। एक बार अच्छे से इसको पढ़ लेना। 5वीं चीज़ है रिलायबल एंड वेरीफाइटेबल, रेलिवेंट, सिंपल, टाइमली, accessible and secure. Data goes through a life cycle: generation, storage, retrieval, manipulation, transmission, destruction. And data is sorted and classified to provide meaningful information. For example, sales data can be sorted by product, territory, or salesperson. Processing data involves calculations and may use models for optimal decision making. Properly managed data turns into valuable information for decision making, and it's eventually destroyed when no longer needed. इस पिक्चर से आपको अच्छे तरह से दिख रहा होगा कि पहले जनरेट होता है कोई भी प्रोग्राम, देन स्टोर होता है, वो रिट्रीव होता है, उसके बाद इवेलुएट होता है, उसके बाद मैनिपुलेट होता है, देन यूटिलाइजेशन होता है, देन अगेन इवेलुएट होता है, अगेन डिस्ट्रॉय भी हो जाता है इफ़ हमें नहीं चाहिए हो तो। मतलब इस तरीके से प्रॉपर बनी हुई है, आप अच्छे से इसको देख सकते हैं। डाटा प्रोसेस होता है, उसके बाद इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है, ठीक है। Value and cost of information. The value of information is measured by benefits it brings to an organization. These benefits can be tangible, like a 5% increase in sales, or intangible, like better customer connections or improved employee satisfaction. To leverage information effectively, organizations develop information system and conduct cost benefit analysis to determine their value. Here are common methods to assess IS values: cost benefit analysis, return on investment, earning growth, market share. कॉस्ट बेनिफिट एनालिसिस में क्या होता है? आईटी कॉस्ट डिसाइड होती है पहले। एडवांसेस इन टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड अवेलेबल रिसोर्सेज लाइक क्लाउड सर्विसेज हैव सिंप्लीफाइड एस्टिमेटिंग आईटी कॉस्ट. Cost include hardware, software, and human resources. Indirect human cost. These include management time, employment training, and motivation. Indirect organizational cost. This involves productivity losses, opportunity cost, and need for business process reengineering. Benefits can include reduced headcount, manufacturing and inventory cost, downtime, better quality control, new customers, increased sales, improved organizational image. higher employee mortgage, reduced attrition, better recruitment, and eliminating data duplication. Total cost of ownership TCO. The model includes all direct and indirect costs, providing a comprehensive view of the IS financial impact. Return on investment में क्या आता है? This method calculates the percentage of additional profits generated by the IS relative to its cost. For example, if a company invests 5 crores in IS and gains 50 lakhs in additional profits, the ROI is 10%. Earning growth. This measures the increase in earnings attributed to IS. For instance, if sale growth increases from 7% to 15% after installing IS and 8% increase due to the IS market share, the IS value can also be evaluated based on the increase in market share, showing how it helps the organization grow and make better decisions. Customer awareness and satisfaction. IS can enhance customer satisfaction and important tangible benefits. Online services, order tracking, and stock status updates are examples of how IS improves customer experience. Surveys can measure the satisfaction levels resulting from IS implementation. These methods help organizations understand the value of their information systems and make informed decisions about their investment. Ethics in the information society and right to information. जब इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम को हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल एथिकली क्रूशल है प्रिवेंट अनऑथराइज्ड एक्टिविटीज़ दैट कुड हार्म ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. इसको इन्फोर्स करने के लिए कई सारे रूल्स सेट करे गए थे. इन इंडिया में एक्ट 2000 रेगुलेशंस के अकॉर्डिंग amendments हुई थी for better control. The rise of social media highlights the need of these regulations. As of early 2021, India had billions of users on platforms like WhatsApp, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. In February 2021, India updated its IT rules, introducing the intermediary guidelines, that Digital Media Ethics Code. Under these rules, unauthorized actions such as accessing, copying, introducing viruses, damaging, disrupting systems, denying access, facilitating unauthorized access, and manipulating services are punishable offenses. Violators must pay compensation for damages. Privacy is a key concern in the information society dealing with the collection and use of data. Organizations constantly collect and store customer data, often without the customer's knowledge or consent. The raises questions about data ownership and misuse, particularly in the sensitive like health and retail. The Right to Information RTI Act of 2000 empowers citizens to access government activities, promoting transparency and accountability. Digitalization and IT advancement have increased information flow, particularly in e-commerce generating vast amount of data. The IT Act ensures that e-commerce and digital documents are managed securely, protecting consumer privacy and maintaining control. Protecting computer resources and disaster recovery. Crimes involving illegal access to computer systems, networks, and smart devices are increasing. Hackers use their skills to gain unauthorized access, alter and destroy data, or control computer with small programs. To prevent these institutions, organizations implement various security measures. User authentication, biometrics, user ID and password, OTP for transactions. System controls, strong firewalls and user authentication and encryption. Regular software updates and security patches. Unique login credentials for each employee and periodic password changes. Separate access zones for different user categories. Audit trials to track access logs and chances. Antiviruses software on all systems and regulation system scans. Disaster planning. Identity potential threats like power failure, data corruption, and natural disasters. Implement hardware and software backup plans. Regular backups, including off-site storage. Virus protection. Common viruses include macro, boot sector, Trojan horses, overwrite, browser hijackers, web scripting, polymeric resident, multiparate, and space failure viruses. User use antivirus software to protect against these threats. Cybercrime and cybersecurity. Cybercrimes include fraud, phishing, data theft, ransomware, and cyberspying. Cybersecurity involves protecting systems, network, and data from cyber attacks. In India, laws and guidelines ensure electronic records and systems are secure. Key organizations and standards include CERT in the Computer Emergency Response Team of India handles cyber incidents, issues alerts, coordinate and responses, and provided guidelines for information security. Regulations. RBI, and SEBI set standards for banks and stock exchanges respectively, and to ensure cybersecurity overall, robust cybersecurity measures and adherence to regulations are essentials to protect against cybercrime. Information system success and failure. An information system supports management in decision making. IS development projects can succeed or fail based on several key factors. Stable project scope, business process re-engineering, technology and development, management support, alignment and organizational objectives, user-friendly system, clear objectives, data policy, quality control, training and documentation. These are the basic reason जिस पे जो इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम है या तो वो सक्सीड हो सकता है या तो वो फेल हो सकता है. अगर मैं बात करूँ समरी की, तो हमने इसमें पढ़ा है डाटा इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड नॉलेज, ग्रोइंग नीड फॉर इंफॉर्मेशन, ethical issues and right to information, data life cycle, cost and value information system and security, disaster recovery, success and failure factor in IMIS. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe.